Aggressive Hydraulics' purpose-built process ensures the production of quality products through proven processes, facilities, machines, and employees. This process starts with understanding your requirements. Our specialists dive deep into your needs, leveraging years of application and fluid power industry experience. Next, we present detailed solutions. Our quote turnaround is quick and efficient. We utilize proprietary systems to ensure your requirements are documented accurately. We set the foundation for your project's success with detailed proposals and precise cost estimates. At Aggressive Hydraulics, our engineers become an extension of your business, ensuring your hydraulic cylinders are purpose-built for maximum efficiency. Our experienced team has a track record of success. They are equipped with the latest CAD tools and proprietary calculation resources. Our world-class operations and ISO 9001:2015 certified manufacturing processes ensure that every cylinder we produce meets the highest standards. With our purpose-built facility and continuous technology upgrades, we deliver quality that's built to last. Quality and on-time delivery are our promises to you. With our industry-leading turnaround and high level of on-time delivery, you can trust that your project will proceed without delays. As your trusted partner, we offer exceptional service and support, ensuring flexibility and responsiveness to your needs. Contact us today to start your purpose-built process.